Hey guys, Sean Ray here. Today I'm going to be doing a video tour versus the live, because the live, for some reason, when I stream it, the audio gets all jacked up. So instead of blowing you guys' eardrums off on these lives, I'm just going to do like a normal video tour, walk through it, and then that way you guys can see my opinions. You guys can comment in the comments below and then go back and forth, and then I'll answer the comments. But this is not going to be a super professional video. It's just done for my camera, so bear with me. I'll do these videos in the future if you like them. But this is why this home has attracted a lot of my Dallas investors, and that they do want to buy or put an offer on this property. It's currently executing on a contract right now. That's not one of my buyers, but this is not a good deal, and this is why. I get a lot of these like, hey, what do you feel about this property? And I'm like, okay, if I thought it was good, I would send it to you, but it is still good as an educational. This is why this property would not be good on Airbnb. So let's check out why this property would not be good on Airbnb. So it's out here over in West Dallas. This is off of Canada Drive. It's one of the main thoroughways here in West Dallas. It's got a really cool, funky floor plan. And the problem with this is that the funky floor plan, while in pictures is super cool, in practicality it's really weird. And so like, this is the living room space. I don't know if you could tell, but it's not very large. So if you're gonna be hosting a bunch of Airbnb travelers, this is what their view is gonna be like. It's not like the best view ever. And that's the patio. That's the backyard, the front yard, and the patio. And so there's like no outdoor space. Speaking of space, this is the living room and the fall into the kitchen. And so this is the entire kitchen space. And so this thing's going for over 400,000 right now. And that's what we're talking about for kitchen space. Where's the table? That's the table. You're gonna somehow fit a table in that tiny little nook. So that's not gonna work out either. I'm gonna be sniffling a lot during this podcast, oh my God. I'm gonna be sniffling a lot during this walkthrough, just because one more day until I get my surgery done on my nostrils. So pardon me if I sound like I'm sick. I'm not sick. I'm just sick in the head, not in the body. Okay, so here's the first room. It's a weird layout, like a weird shape. Like, you put your bed in there, but then like, what are you gonna do with this extra square footage? They should have made it more squarish, but with a good design person, they could probably make it work. There's a Jack and Jill. And then now we're in the other room. Small rooms, they can only fit one bed. So each one of these is one bed, one bed. And your goals is to have 9 beds on Airbnb. And so then this room is awkwardly large. And so now we can fit 1, 2, 3, fit 3 plus 4 beds. Have a cool little hangout spot out there. And then just randomly threw in this tub. It's like, look, a tub. We're supposed to be classy. This is what a classy place looks like. It has a tub. No, it doesn't. The tub looks cheap. Anyways, that's the house. So this is why it won't make sense, because let me flip around my camera. So the reason why it won't make sense is that, first of all, there's no backyard. It's got this weird neighbor situation going on. The room layout is really strange, and the rooms themselves are really small. You can fit it's a 3-bedroom as well. So 3-bedroom houses don't do that well on Airbnb. Even if you're paying $400,000+ for it, you're still gonna get $5,000, maybe $6,000 out of it a month if you're lucky, if it's a really badass house. But still, you're missing all the 10K, 12K, 15K months. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 beds in here, and then maybe there's enough room for a pull-out. But in the end, unless you convert the garage, then you're looking at maybe a max of 5, maybe 6 beds, and you're paying $400-something thousand for that. So, no, not this one. Thank you for asking. I hope this is good for all you investors. Keep sending me this listing. Let's go check out some other homes that might work. As of right now, the market's very slim, as you guys know. Anytime there's a good one coming out, I'll be the first one to let you know. I check every morning, promise you that. All right, bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.